History of the insects in agriculture. So friends, what is the role of the insects in agriculture? So here is a lot of mention about insects in our ancient history. Insect study is not a nowadays study only. We have studied in from ancient era. Okay, in our Ramayana and Mahabharata, they have mentioned about the silk, honey, and lac were found in these epics. These things are also said in our epics. Okay, we have all know the Ramayana and Mahabharata means our King Rama that they wear the silken cloths. Okay, means the royal cloths is also known as the silk cloths. After that, honey have the most and very valuable importance in Ayurveda. After that, lac, you all of familiar to the Mahabharata, that is Lakshagruha. Okay, Lakshagruha is made from the lac, means that type of the knowledge it also present in the Ramayana and Mahabharata, means in our ancient history it is present. After that, the first detailed classification of the insects was done by the Umaswati. Okay, Umaswati has also given the various classification of the insects. After that, classification of the bees given by the physician Charak. Okay, in Charak Samhita or in Charak things that they have given the classification of the bees. After that, Sushruta have given the classification of ants, flies, and mosquitoes. Okay, and they are means you can say that these are the evidences for our earliest knowledge about insects. After that, in 1912, that Plant Quarantine Act was enforced. Plant quarantine means to quarantine the foreign species at a quarantine center. It will be a airport. Okay, airport. There is a quarantine center is also present for quarantine to the exotic species. Okay, after that, Destructive Insects and Pest Act was enforced in 1914. After that, in 1914, T.B. Fletcher, the first government entomologist of Madras state, published his book Some South Indian Insects. After that, in 1914 itself, Indian Forest Insect of Economic Importance, Coleoptera, was published by the first Imperial Forest Entomology, that is E.P. Stebin. In 1939, Locust Warning Organization was established. You all of know the locust. Locust means the major grasshopper that have found in a last year, that is in 2021. Okay, they have attacked in the Rajasthan area. So grasshoppers, okay, kind of a grasshopper, they are present. So for this controlling, the Locust Warning Organization especially work on the Locust Warning Organization. After that, Dr. T.V. Ramakrishna Iyer published the book Handbook of Economic Entomology for South India. Okay, T.V. Ramakrishna has given the published book, that is Handbook of Economic Entomology. After that, 1963, Textbook of Agricultural Entomology by H.S. Pruthi. In 1968, Dr. M.S. Mani's given the General Entomology book. Dr. Pradhan in 1969 given the insect pests of crop. Okay, different insects are present on the different crops and how they are damaged. These are all detailed given in the insect pest of crop. After that, Directorate of Plant Protection, Quarantine and Storage of Government of India started. In 1960, the desert locust in India monograph given by the Y.R. Rao. 1968, the government of the India enacted Central Insecticide Act, which came into force